Hey, my name is Allie, and today we are doing a major color change today. So I've already previously lightened her to a level 8, 9, and I just highlighted her entire head. We're gonna go and do a root smudge and a tone, and then we're gonna be putting these fun colors on her head. All right, so now that we have tone and root shaded all of her hair, we are ready to put on the vivids. So I'm going to do what is called the petal technique, and basically just taking triangle, straight across, all the way up the head. It creates a really seamless blend, and I'm using 3 different colors, all from Pulpriot. I'm probably gonna do blue, pink, purple. And just kind of work my way up. Blue, pink, purple, and it's just gonna have a really nice blend of all 3. So I'm gonna do each section a different color, because this technique allows for each color to kind of blend into the others. So I don't have to do 3 different colors on each strand. It kind of creates that look on its own. When you apply the vivid colors, you really want to make sure that the hair is saturated well with the color. With Pulpriot color, it encapsulates on itself. So after a certain point, it actually kind of like creates like a shield over the hair, so it doesn't bleed onto the next hair, and it won't absorb any other colors while you're applying. Yeah. Yeah, so there is no need to like separate the hair. Once it's been evenly saturated with the color, you can just lay it on top of the other color, no problem. A few minutes. You can see that there's kind of like a white coating almost over the hair. So that is the encapsulation happening. So the encapsulation process, I would say probably about like a minute after you've applied the color, it has like encapsulated on itself. So it's a pretty quick process where it's fully saturated and it's not going to absorb any more color, and it's going to just process. All right, so this is the final result of our vivid color today. So we did the petal placement, and as you can see, it's really nice and blended. You can see the 3 colors, blue, purple, and pink, as well as some other variations of those colors. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and really liked how it turned out.